Hello students, today let us try to understand the formula for solving a quadratic equation. Before this we have studied what is the quadratic equation and how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by various methods. So there are certain methods by which we can find the solution of a quadratic equation like factorization or completing the square method or the formula method. In today's video we are going to learn how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by a formula method. For that, we need a formula by which we can find the solution of a quadratic equation. So let us consider the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c that is equal to 0. Now here a, b and c are any real numbers and a must not be equal to 0. But to find the solution of a quadratic equation, it means that we have to find the value of the variable it contains. So here we have to find the value of the x, that is nothing but the solution of this quadratic equation. So for that we have a formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So as we can observe here, a, b and c which are there in the given quadratic equation, we have to substitute these values a, b and c in this formula to get the value of x, and which is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Now in this formula, we can observe that minus b plus or minus signs are given over here. So as it is a quadratic equation, it must have two solutions. So if we split these two signs, we get two solutions of this quadratic equation, that is either x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So these are the formulae by which we have the solutions of given quadratic equation. We can call these two solutions as alpha and beta, that is alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By using this formulae, we can find the solution of any quadratic equation given. Now let us illustrate this one. Question is solve using formula. Equation is x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So as we can observe here, this is the quadratic equation in variable x. We have to find its solution. So we have the formula for it. Before that, we need the values of a, b and c, which can be found by comparing the given equation with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare these two equations, we can see the value of a, that is the coefficient of x square in the given equation, is 1. That's why the value of a is 1. The value of b is 5, which is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, which is 6. The value of a is 1, b is 5 and c is 6. First of all, let us find one expression we need in the formula, that is b square minus 4ac. So instead of b, we should take 5, and b square is there, so 5 square minus 4 into a into c, that is 4 into a is 1 into c is 6. So 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 1, that's 4 into 6, that is 24. So 25 minus 24, that is 1. Value of the expression b square minus 4ac is equal to 1. We need this value in the formula, that's why we have found it firstly. Now let us have the formula by which we can find the value of the variable x. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now in this formula we have to substitute the values. That is, we get x is equal to b is minus 5 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, which we have found to be 1. So instead of b square minus 4ac, we can write 1 divided by 2 into a, that is 2 into value of a is 1, that is 2 into 1. The next step will be x is equal to minus 5 as it is plus or minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 1, that's 2. Now I can separate these plus or minus signs so as to get the value of x as x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 5 minus 1 divided by 2. The next step would be x is equal to minus 5 plus 1, that's minus 4 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 5 minus 1, that's minus 6 divided by 2. If we divide here minus 4 by 2, we get x is equal to minus 2, or if we divide minus 6 by 2, we get minus 3. So here two values we got, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. So as this is a quadratic equation, it has two solutions. So x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3. These are the two solutions of given quadratic equation. So this is how we can find the solution of any given quadratic equation by the formula method. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.